Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a motorbike. Trying to draw and paint with me.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald.
Let's draw a heart right here. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Orange, pink. I love drawing and painting so much. Light blue, red, green, purple, yellow. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Blue,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O,
brown,
with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old MacDonald
red.
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.